MDF acoustic panels are an innovative and versatile solution designed to enhance sound quality in various environments by reducing noise, controlling echoes, and improving overall acoustics. Made from medium-density fiberboard, MDF, these panels are engineered to combine durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal, making them a popular choice for both residential and commercial spaces. MDF, known for its smooth surface and uniform density, provides an excellent base for acoustic treatments. When used in acoustic panels, it is often perforated or textured to optimize sound absorption and diffusion. These panels are particularly effective in spaces where sound clarity and noise reduction are critical, such as home theaters, recording studios, offices, restaurants, and conference rooms. In addition to their acoustic performance, MDF acoustic panels are highly customizable. They can be finished with a variety of materials, including fabric, wood veneer, or paint, allowing them to seamlessly integrate into any interior design scheme. Whether you're looking to create a professional audio environment or simply improve the comfort of a living space, MDF acoustic panels offer a practical and stylish solution for managing sound effectively.